everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Amine Devora and welcome to AppDev.Tech. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I built my gaming/streaming PC setup and how I set up everything from lights, from monitors, the cameras, the peripherals, everything. It's going to be a good one. If you guys are new to the channel, show some love, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It will help me and the channel grow. Let's get started.
Yeah.
Alright guys, for our gaming headset, we are using the Logitech G Pro gaming headset. Very comfortable headset, very loud and clear. For our audio mix, we are using the Go XLR Mini. This is very useful and handy if you're into streaming, and very convenient to use, easy to use, very nice audio mix. For our gaming PC, the specification of this PC is an i7-9700K, 16 gigs of RAM, and an RTX 2060 from MSI. Also, the case is a NZXT H110. And the mic that we are using right now is an Audio-technica AT2020. Very nice mic, very crisp, very clear. It's a very good entry-level mic. Alright, for our main monitor, we are using the HP 25X gaming monitor. It's a 144Hz refresh rate and it's G-Sync compatible. For our second monitor, we are using the 24-inch Sceptre 75Hz refresh rate. So we have two ring lights, one in front of me and one up top, which makes the place a little brighter. For our keyboard and mouse, I am using the HyperX Alloy FPS gaming keyboard. And for our mouse, we are using Logitech's G703 wireless gaming mouse. And for our webcam, we are actually using a DSLR camera, which is the Canon T7. Very nice 1080p 30fps webcam. That is it guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out guys.